मैं हूँ सागरिका और मैं आज आपको अपने साथ ले जाने वाली हूँ टू अ हाई ऑक्टेन एक्सपीरियंस. Kingdom of Dreams presents Wow Awards 2014, powered by Meetings and Exhibition Hong Kong and co-sponsored by E Positive Entertainment and One Films Company, an initiative of Event FAQS.
Oh my God! Wow! Wow!
Wow! Wow! Ow! Wow!
Wow Awards हर साल रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट इन इवेंट एंड एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग. कुछ टारगेटेड कैंपेन से लेकर वो दिल को छू लेने वाले ब्रांड एक्सपीरियंसेस, उन लार्जर देन लाइफ इवेंट से लेकर एक्सपीरियंशियल मार्केटिंग की कुछ नेवर सीन बिफोर ट्रिक्स. Wow has something in store for everyone in this space. इस साल Wow Awards के पास आई है 600 प्लस एंट्रीज अक्रॉस 29 कैटेगरीज और ये सीरीज इन इट्स 6th ईयर आई है एक खास डुअल मकसद के साथ. एंटरटेनर्स, इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स और मार्केटर्स का हौसला तो बढ़ाना ही है, साथ ही साथ एक अलग अंदाज में मचाना है काफी धमाल विद सम धमाकेदार डांस, मस्ती और म्यूजिक. What's your take on this initiative that Event FAQS has taken, recognizing new talent and bringing everyone together?
जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? I think it's important that such platforms are created where people award and reward. But otherwise, you do some fantastic work and nobody even recognizes it or knows about it. So I think these things need to happen more often.
Well, it's almost kind of like a family getting together for me because I do events. I've been doing events for a very long time, and this is really my first love.
It's becoming more and more interesting every year and more participants every year. So I'm a big supporter of WOW.
This is for those guys who we don't recognize every day.
ये अवार्ड्स अपने आप में यंग एजेंसीज को और जो एजेंसीज एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैं दोनों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाते हैं, जो कि बड़ा अच्छा होता है. साथ में इंडस्ट्री से रिकग्निशन मिलता है, साथ ही साथ यू गेट टू मीट द टैलेंट, यू गेट टू मीट द एजेंसीज, यू गेट टू मीट द ब्रांड्स. तो ये सब एक जगह मिलना और इस तरीके से साथ में सेलिब्रेट करना, वो चीज़ जो हम अच्छे से करते हैं इस फिनोमेनन.
Probably one of the biggest platforms in the country for new talent, for fresh ideas, for people to come together and celebrate this whole idea of the industry.
Well, यहाँ के माहौल में कुछ अलग सा एक्साइटमेंट है. All I can say is absolutely contagious. वैसे आज की इवनिंग का थीम है Wow and Then, a time wrap from 70s till today.
Okay, welcome to Wow and Then. I'm Brian Tellis. Say hello, say hello, say hello. And we'd like to start off with the 70s. We were happy actually to have the angry young man explode onto the scene. You know whom I'm talking about. The great Amitabh Bachchan landed up on our film screens, captured our imagination, and of course continues to do so. Moving on, 70s again. We had one TV channel. I mean, one freaking TV channel. Music was ruling the roost. Pandit Ravi Shankar really grabbed our imagination. If you remember, he took the sitar and took it to the West, if you know what I'm saying. He used to hang out with George Harrison, the rest of the Beatles. He actually taught Harrison to play the sitar. It featured on some of their songs as well. Norwegian Wood was one. It's time now to celebrate the 70s.
रॉक ऑन में नजर आने वाले आइकॉनिक सिंगर एक्टर ल्यूक केनी आए टू टेक एवरीवन ऑन अ नॉस्टैल्जिक ट्रिप टू द 70s और उन विंटेज ट्यून्स पर थिरकते दो पॉकेट साइज पावर हाउसेस सुमंत एंड सोनाली. इस एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग कॉम्बिनेशन को पहली बार साथ में देखना और सुनना, वेल इट्स अ रियल ट्रीट फॉर द सेंसेस, जिसका जादू पहुंचा सबके दिलों तक.
It's difficult, but 70s के स्पेल से निकलकर चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं to the very first segment of the Wow Awards 2014.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kingdom of Dreams presents Wow Awards 2014, powered by Meetings and Exhibitions Hong Kong with principal partners One Film Company, E Positive and Zoom TV.
Cineyug, winning a gold for Golden Petal Awards in the category Televised Property of the Year.
May I please invite on stage the winners, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
I got my wow now.
like to thank especially the entire Cineuk team and everybody, all our clients and everybody, all us partners that we have having faith with us for so many years. Thank you so much, Wow Awards. Vishal, Karishma, Deepak, all of you do a great job at this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Team Cineuk.
Congratulations.
DDB Mudra Max, winning a gold for Earth Hour in the category Co-Branded Campaign of the Year. And finally, another gold for Femina Made for You in the category Contact Program of the Year.
Thank you very much. We are very happy as DDB Mudra Max to be on the stage. We've been associated with WOW for a few years now, and we hope to continue that year on year. Thank you once again. This is the best way of encouraging the entertainers themselves, in getting them on board and encouraging them of all the hard work that they put in for other clients and other brands. So WOW, thumbs up.
Encompass Events, winning a gold for Pepsi VIP Box in the category Brand Association with a Live Platform. A second gold for Gillette Soldier for Women in the category Integrated Media Campaign of the Year by a Brand. And finally, a third gold for Gillette Soldier for Women in the category On-Ground Promotion of the Year for Brand Awareness.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Team Encompass.
I got my wow now. I got my wow now. I got my wow now.
Honestly, this team does some amazing work. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. Thank you.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Winning एक अपने आप में एक recognition होता है आपके talent का. For our agency Encompass, this is our 6th year of winning the awards. I think for the last 2 years we've won the maximum awards, so we're very, very happy.
Well, winners ही नहीं बल्कि यहाँ मौजूद सारी ऑडियंस, सेलिब्रिटीज, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स और यहाँ तक कि परफॉर्मर्स भी सभी ग्लूड है टू दिस वाव एंड स्पेक्टेकुलर इवनिंग. तो इस वावनेस को थोड़ा और बढ़ता देखने के लिए स्टे ट्यून टू आवर नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट.
90s के मैजिक को रिक्रिएट करने आई स्टनिंग याना गुप्ता.
Thank you for the music. Thank you for my bread and butter. Thank you to this amazing industry to give roti, kapda, makan and BMWs for others.
So the 70s was great fun. It was, the hangover of the hippie. The 80s was really the kind of, how should I say, the yuppie came into our lives. In India, of course, we were having a great time. 1982 was the Asian Games, and it was the first time we saw colored television, man. What a thrill it was. I mean, one had to, of course, go to the neighbor's house to watch colored television back then. The cassette replaced the vinyl. CDs started to come into our lives. 83 was when the great Kapil Dev lifted the 1983 One-Day World Cup. Yeah, why not? 1988 was the fantastic Amnesty International concert in Delhi. What a lineup. There was Peter Gabriel, there was Sting, I think, there was Tracy Chapman, there was Bruce Springsteen, Yusunadur, all of them performing here in India. Of course, the Indian music scene was doing well as well. There was fabulous Ghulam Ali, Pankaj Udas, Jagjit and Chitra Singh. Of course, the theatre scene was going absolutely nuts. As a young teenager, I can remember going to watch in the Birla Matushri, going to watch Jesus Christ Superstar, directed by Alec Padamsee. And then, of course, in the 80s, we saw a kind of plethora of musicals unleashed on us. And I think it's time to celebrate the 80s. So we're good for our next swatch of entertainment.
म्यूजिकल्स ऑफ द 80s का मैजिक शुरू हुआ रायल पदमसी के म्यूजिकल प्ले ब्रॉडवे एंड बियॉन्ड के साथ, जिसमें ग्लोरियस 80s के कुछ अनफॉरगेटेबल मेलोडीज जॉनर्स देखने को मिले। वहीं माइकल जैक्सन्स मूनवॉक केम टू लाइफ और ले गई सबको टू द गॉन बाय एरा ऑफ द 80s। किसी भी परफॉर्मेंस ने ऑडियंस को बिल्कुल मौका नहीं दिया टू टेक देयर आईज ऑफ द स्टेज। वेल, यही तो है वाओ एंड देन का मकसद।
कुछ तो बात थी 80s के म्यूजिक में। फिलहाल 80s के म्यूजिक के इस मेलोडियस स्पेल के साथ झूमने के बाद चलिए देखते हैं कि किसकी मेहनत रंग लाई इन द अपकमिंग कैटेगरीज।
Go Bananas winning a gold for Sandstorm in the category New Property of the Year, and another gold once again for Sandstorm in the category Sports Event of the Year.
Congratulations, Go Bananas!
It's been fantastic. I was wondering that I think we should move to Bungalow 9. I think this time it's not going to happen. So finally, thank you. Wow, thank you. The entire event fraternity out here. Thank you all the sponsors. It's been great and love you all. Cheers.
Thank you very much. Big round of applause.
Impact Communication winning a gold for SEAT Bike Tagging in the category Small Budget On-Ground Promotion of the Year.
They're women, they lead the way. We don't need them to say anything, they're already here. Come on, give it up for the ladies!
Thanks a lot.
That's it. That's it.
Short and concise.
I'll tell you what they're going to do next. They're going to run down and take a selfie. Selfie! Well done, babe. We nailed it, didn't we?
Congratulations.
Good job, congratulations.
And to give away our next set of awards, may I please invite on stage Mr. Sohail Khan.
Jagran Solutions winning a gold for Arogya Rath in the category Rural Engagement Property of the Year, and another gold for Arogya Rath in the category CSR Activity Program of the Year.
Jagran Solutions, 4 trophies right here tonight. Let's have a loud round of applause for our winners.
I said boss कौन है? यहाँ तो इतने boss है। All the bosses standing here, and I would like to thank Event Facts, and we waited a lot, but I think finally stars have arrived.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the company where everybody is a boss.
और अब हम पहुंच गए हैं उस मोमेंट पर जो इस स्प्लेंडेड इवनिंग की एनर्जी को ले जाएगा एक अनदर लेवल पर।
For outstanding contribution to the live entertainment industry, ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Usha Uttup ji.
Event FAQs presents Outstanding Contribution Award to Usha Uttup.
Thank you for the music. Thank you for my bread and butter. Thank you to this amazing industry to give so many musicians, singers, artists, and everybody a job every night. And roti, kapda, makan, and BMWs for others. Thank you. One of the first shows I ever did was with him. And one of the first big things that ever happened was with him. How lucky and blessed are we to have event companies today and to have event managers and sound and lights and backstage management like never before. I am so proud and grateful. As I said, thank you for the music, Roshan.
Thank you, and you know, I think on behalf of everyone who's here, I wanted to give you enough time to recover, but I know, you know, she's always been very emotional. I remember doing television with her, and the first time we did that show, it was a similar occasion for us, and I'd love it if you could share some of that lovely music with us just now. Please, if all of you, yeah, do you agree?
सुरों को अपने सिग्नेचर अंदाज में ढलने वाली उषा उत्तुप की आवाज में रंबा हो या फिर रिवॉल्वर रानी, हर गाने में एज यूजुअल था उनका ट्रेडमार्क उषा उत्तुप टच.
Thank you to my family. Thank you to this industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for the iconic, the inimitable, and the very mesmerizing Usha Uttup ji.
इस सेंसेशनल शाम की कुछ और स्टनिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस अभी बाकी है. See you on the other side of the break.
90s के मैजिक को रिक्रिएट करने आई स्टनिंग याना गुप्ता.
I've never got an award, so I'm going to take the opportunity to thank everyone.
Big congratulations to WOW, because without WOW, we won't get into this room and we won't feel so good and we won't celebrate all our hard work for the year.
Welcome back. WOW Awards 2014 का एक और अनफॉरगेटेबल सेगमेंट आपका बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा है. तो चलिए, लेट्स कीप वॉकिंग डाउन द मेमोरी लेन और इस बार रुकते हैं एट अ माइलस्टोन जिस पर लिखा है द नेवर सीन बिफोर 90s.
We're now going to talk about the 90s, another decade that I particularly enjoyed. Aishwarya Rai and Sushmita Sen both went on to win world titles. You know, Aishwarya won the Miss World title, Sushmita won the Miss Universe title. Fantastic times for India. Great stuff. Loads and loads to talk about. Importantly, frequency modulated or FM radio invaded our lives. So FM radio, there were computers, there were mobiles. The internet, man, the internet started to really kind of leave its mark, not just in India, but the rest of the world. Importantly, concerts happened in our lives. Again, if I can remember right, Bryan Adams, some fabulous concerts. I think he came a couple of times, if not 3. Michael Jackson. Thanks to you guys to see Michael Jackson in this country. What a concert. There was Bon Jovi that performed at the Andheri Sports Complex. There was Deep Purple as well, one of my favorite bands. They came into Mumbai. What a spectacular concert that was. So like we've been doing over the last few decades, so we will do with the 90s. Friends, I'm going to leave you with our next swatch of entertainment. Enjoy the 90s.
90s के मैजिक को रिक्रिएट करने आई स्टनिंग याना गुप्ता और उनके साथ कदम से कदम मिलाते दिखे सेलिब्रिटी कोरियोग्राफर सुमित नागदेव. जब याना गुप्ता हो स्टेज पर तो दैट स्किप अ हार्टबीट मोमेंट इज क्वाइट नेचुरल.
I think it looked really nice. I hope everyone thought it looked good. We were trying our best, but we were really enjoying. Yeah, we loved it.
Madison Media, winning a gold for how Medica engineered 1.6 years of direct engagement around an unspeakable problem in the category Rural Engagement Program of the Year.
This is actually not our division, so this is Madison Media. So I'm collecting this on behalf of Madison Media. So thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Percept Live, winning a gold for Sunburn Goa 2013 in the category Entertainment Event of the Year. And another gold once again for Sunburn Goa 2013 in the category Entertainment Property of the Year.
Shailendra Singh!
I got my wow now. I got my wow now.
Come on, let's put our hands together. Come on, what a fantastic.
Let me hold one for you.
I'm going to give one to Sohail. Okay.
You know, I've never got an award, so I'm going to take the opportunity to thank everyone. Thank you, Shailu.
We obviously understood that we conned Sohail to be here with us today because he's a huge fan of live entertainment. So a big round of applause for Sohail being here with us. So big congratulations to WOW, because without WOW, we won't get into this room and we won't feel so good and we won't celebrate all our hard work for the year. WOW, well done. Wow, really wow. Now, I just want to, for the record, I need my team quick here. I just want to show you there are some psychos who work in Sunburn.
Everybody.
3 cheers for WOW. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Have a great night. I mean, for me, doing live entertainment is a celebration of life. But I think the purpose behind it is to sort of ensure that we create content that makes people happy, give them a better sort of time in their life. And I think for particularly a country like India with 600 million below the age of 25, I think the youth wants to step out. So Sunburn, I think, was a perfect solution. We're the 3rd largest festival in the world now. So it's quite kick-ass. And this is nice. This is for the fans.
Bulb Strategy, winning a gold for Cloud Coach in the category B2B Marketing Program of the Year.
Congratulations, sir.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Bulb Strategy.
Thanks, Event FAQs and the jury. Thank you for appreciating our work. Thank you so much.
Salt Experiences and Management, winning a gold for Hero Marketing Convention Macau 2013 in the category Conference of the Year.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Team Salt Experience. Come on, everybody.
Thank you so much. We came a long way. We waited a long time. Guys, we won!
Well, even you will agree to us that Event FAQs is truly delivering on what they've promised. So let's take a short break और वापस आते हैं हमारे अगले धमाकेदार segment में, where our next stopover is the era of early 2000s.
WOW Awards 2014 का सफर 70s के golden era से पहुंचा to the Y2K decade.
WIZCRAFT. 25 years in business, ladies and gentlemen.
First, I'll just say that we started 25 years ago. And when we started 25 years ago, it means all of you also started 25 years ago. I think it's time that each of you stepped up, joined hands, and let's reach out and conquer the world.
Welcome बैक। एंटरटेनमेंट और एनकरेजमेंट के इस बेमिसाल जर्नी का नाम है वाव अवार्ड्स 2014 बाय इवेंट FAQS। एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड, हम आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं अपने अगले जंक्शन की ओर, which is the early 2000s। पर उससे पहले let's give a pat on the back to some more ultra creative people।
Showtime Events winning a gold for Mini Countryman launch in the category Brand Experience of the Year. Best use of experiential marketing. A second gold once again for Mini Countryman launch in the category Launch Event of the Year. The third gold for Hero Insolito in the category Stakeholder Event of the Year. The fourth gold for Jodhpur One World Retreat in the category Lifestyle Property of the Year. And finally, a fifth gold for Jodhpur One World Retreat in the category New Property of the Year.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It truly is a fantastic feat. Thank you very much for taking away the memory of Bappi Lahiri, because the next time I think of gold, I'm going to think of you all.
I just want to repeat what I said, that I didn't do theatre and we still have the maximum number of golds today. Thanks, everybody.
Wizcraft winning a gold for YPO in the category Business B2B Knowledge Exchange Property of the Year.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Congratulations, Wizcraft.
come up on stage.
Thank you very much. This goes to all the teams that worked behind the scenes on these events. Thank you again. Thank you.
We're moving on. We've seen the 70s, we've seen the 80s, we've seen the 90s. Now we're looking at what some people call the noughties or the early 2000s. Most importantly, in the noughties, event management exploded. Exploded. Anyone, everyone, and I say this in a happy way, okay, took to event. What are you doing, man? I was thinking, yeah, maybe I'll do event management. Huh? Everyone, you needed a phone, you needed a laptop, and you needed a table, maybe not even a table. Became event managers. No, listen, don't let me give you the wrong impression. We are the guys, okay? So let me, but never mind. So there was the Temptation Tours, and of course there was IFA. So some fantastic stuff happened out of this great country of ours. Importantly, the Hindi music scene, or the indie pop as we used to call it back then, really took off. There was Alisha Chennai, who started off on stage in Evita, and then went on to carve a niche for herself. There was Baba Sehgal, there was Daler Mehendi, there was Sonu Nigam, Colonial Cousins, there was Maqsood, or Lucky Ali as he was known, Shan and Sagarika, Indus Creed. Some fantastic acts that actually exploded onto the entertainment scene. Okay, so I'm going to kind of leave you. We're not going to get into an entertainment segment straight away, but we have some special moments, and from there we will go into the entertainment segment. All good, people? All good?
Okay, welcome back to WOW Awards 2014. This brand name that I'm now going to be talking about is spelled WIZCRAFT. 25 years in business, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. They have given our industry some of the most landmark events ever. Commonwealth Games, the IFAs, GMA, and they've done us so proud. They've been now taking Indian cinema across the globe. Please join me here on the dais. Founder directors of Wizcraft.
I got my wow.
25 years of Wizcraft.
I got my wow now. Duh, duh, duh. I got my wow.
And we at Event FAQS would like to present them with a commemorative memento. And to do the honors, the editor, Event FAQS, Karishma Hundalani, will now join us here on the dais. Karishma!
Congratulations, guys. I know this is very little, but as an industry, we know the contribution.
First, I'll just say that we started 25 years ago. And when we started 25 years ago, it means all of you also started 25 years ago. I think it's time that each of you stepped up, joined hands, and let's reach out and conquer the world.
Wow Awards 2014 का सफर 70s के गोल्डन ईरा से पहुंचा टू द Y2K डेकेड, जहां अर्ली 2000s के कुछ ग्रूवी नंबर्स अपनी सुरीली आवाज और स्टनिंग स्टेज प्रेजेंस के साथ लेकर आई द यंग एंड वाइब्रेंट पॉप स्टार नीति मोहन.
इवेंट्स और एंटरटेनमेंट के इस सबसे बड़े जश्न ने सब में भर दिया है एक कमाल का जोश. ये इवेंट ऑफ ऑल इवेंट्स का सिलसिला आगे बढ़ाएंगे क्योंकि नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट में है कुछ और इनक्रेडिबल मोमेंट्स, मस्ती और एंटरटेनमेंट की एक और मास्टर स्ट्रोक. Do not go away.
I've been given exactly 5 minutes. I asked for 10. But since I'm doing this show for free and these guys are event managers, they decided they needed something else to bargain about.
Please join me in welcoming on stage for the Lifetime Achievement Award, Mr. Alec Padamsee.
In event marketing or experiential marketing, what you need is imagination.
वेलकम बैक. वाव अवार्ड्स का ये जश्न है अपने फाइनल पड़ाव पर और भरपूर एंटरटेनमेंट की डोज के साथ ये बॉस ऑफ ऑल इवेंट वाव अवार्ड्स 2014 पहुंच चुका है टू इट्स फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन, द लेट 2000s.
The late noughties is what I'm going to take you through, the present in other words, bringing agony and ecstasy to the table. Mega brands crumbled, unfortunately. We had a whole economic crisis the world over, especially in India. But I'm told yet again, achhe din aane wale hai, so I live in hope. Plenty to cheer about as well. Yeah. Why not? Why not? India scaled the pinnacle of world cricket, whatever that means. We were rated the #1 team in the world. Yeah. The IPL, wow. But speaking of festivals and gigs, man, I've got to say, there were a few festivals, or are a few festivals, that have really knocked the stuffing out of the thought processes behind doing gigs. And I think the biggest one, and we have to acknowledge it, is Sunburn, man. He's sitting right here. You know, more power, man. Great stuff. I just wish it was about 60 years ago when I was 15. But hey, I'm on the wrong side of 75 now, so. NH7, another great festival. I think the OML boys are here somewhere, or they were. Great stuff, man. More power to you guys. The Blues Festival that happens, it's 4 years in the making. Yeah, that's a good one, man. 5th year coming up. So loads and loads of festival. I think in the last year to 2, there were about 9 to 10 festivals that have actually kicked off, and I think that's a fantastic sign. Now, along with festivals, the whole vibe is to club and pub. So we've got the Blue Frogs and the Hard Rocks and the comedy stores. A whole load of people, starting with Veer, actually made stand-up a huge success. There was Veer, Saurabh Pant, and a whole load of people behind them. And I think this is the age of comedy. This is the age of stand-up. It's working really well for audiences. So we're going to get into our last swatch of entertainment. We're celebrating comedy.
Hi, my name is Saurabh Pant. How's everyone doing tonight? Everyone's good, yes? I'm going to be screaming in your ears for the next 5 minutes. I'm going to be very, very quick about this. I've been given exactly 5 minutes. I asked for 10. But since I'm doing this show for free and these guys are event managers, they decided they needed something else to bargain about. Let's find something. तुझे 10 मिनट कर, तू ऐसा कर 8 मिनट कर ले, 1 मिनट हमारा कमीशन हो जाएगा. It's like fine. Let's make that happen.
आज की शाम आ गई है एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मोड़ पर. कुछ स्टनिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस का जलवा देखने के बाद भी यहाँ सबके मुंह पर एक ही बात है, ये दिल मांगे मोर. For now, there's a special award in store. थिएटर, फिल्म और एड वर्ल्ड के एक बेहद खास और सीजन्ड पर्सनालिटी के लिए, the man who needs no introduction, the one and only Alec Padamsee.
Event FAQs presents Lifetime Achievement Award to Alec Padamsee.
Please join me in welcoming on stage for the Lifetime Achievement Award, Mr. Alec Padamsee.
It's wonderful to be here, friends. Wonderful. I started my career with a great event, which was the launch of Surf. And we took the Taj Mahal Hotel, and much to the dismay of the manager, I brought in a giant transparent bucket about 10 feet high. And then we had a young housewife pick up this huge pack of Surf. It was the first time in India anyone had seen a washing powder, remember that? And we were supposed to give it a big tamasha. And so she poured it over with the help of two helpers, and it went into the water. And then she said, now, how am I going to shake it up? Someone handed her, we'd fix this all up, a air hose, you know, with a lot of air pumping out of it, and brrrr, suddenly the lather began, and it went right to the top of the bucket. And then what often happens in events, as you know, Brian, it wouldn't stop. And the gear got stuck. So it went on lather, and the lather came down off the stage and flowed into the audience. And everybody said, oh, yeah, that's a lot of Surf, yeah. But that's what you need in an event. Now, experiential marketing, I'm using the wrong language. In event marketing or experiential marketing, what you need to do, what you have to have, you have only one thing. You don't need giant buckets. What you need is imagination. It's nothing to do with projectors and this and that and the other. It's all to do, and I know that today I've seen many, many, many events, believe you me, and I'm so proud that back in 1958, it started with the launch of Surf. And I would say to you, join the theater and become one of the stars of experiential marketing. God bless you.
Thank you very, very much, sir.
इवेंट FAQs लेकर आए up close और बिल्कुल exclusive the king of all DJs, DJ Pravin, who is spinning some latest hits tonight.
Party began right here जब DJ Praveen ने play किए कुछ absolutely hot and happening dance numbers. What a way to just wow the audience.
We've just gotten done with the show, so after party में celebrate करेंगे.
Well, party is not over yet. Event FAQs की शाम का मतलब ही है endless और exclusive entertainment. और इस पार्टी में 4 चांद लगाए श्रुति पाठक ने with her soothing performance.
I think it's an incredible effort from Event FAQs.
I'm very glad to be here. Lots of my friends from the business are here. It's like a big reunion for people who are into live gigs here.
Well, यहाँ सभी का golden mantra seems to be work hard, party harder, and enjoy to the fullest.
It's the 6th year, and I kind of wish them a lot many more years of successful awards.
Thank you for watching this Mahasangram of events and entertainment, the one and only Wow Awards 2014, exclusively for you on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.